Hi, this is Michaela Buchanan. I'm a data scientist at Mark III Systems, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to connect to your Converge IO environment using the command line interface, and then also how to log in to your Converge user account from the command line interface. So to get started, you're going to want to have open your Converge environment in your internet browser like this. And you're also going to want to pull up these Converge IO CLI documentation. And this is going to be your best friend for getting comfortable and learning how to use the Converge CLI. So we're going to want to go to this section right here, connecting to your private environment. And we're going to be using this Converge API command. So I'm going to go ahead and type Converge API. And then I'm going to show you where to find your API URL to complete this command. So you're going to want to come back over to your Converge environment and click on the top address bar here. And you're going to want to copy everything up to your organization name, just like that. You're going to paste that in here, and then you're going to want to add a \API to the end. And if we hit enter, that should connect up to our Converge environment. Let's see if it does it. There we go. And then logging in is pretty simple. It says right here, you just want to use Converge login, and then it'll prompt you for your username and passwords. Let's give that a shot to make sure our API is set up correctly. There's our Converge login. Seems like I'm already logged in, so I'm actually going to use Converge logout just to show you what this all looks like. And then we're going to log in again. I'm going to use my email address and my password. It looks like I am successfully logged in. All the information looks correct. So that is how you get your CLI connected to your Converge environment. If you don't have the CLI installed yet and aren't sure about how to do that, feel free to check out my previous video on how to install the CLI on Windows 10, and I'll have more soon on how to install it on Linux and Mac as well. And yeah, keep an eye out for more videos covering how to do more tasks with the Converge environment and the Converge CLI. Thanks.